They took out all the supports that were holding out the fenders. They have this now.
Yeah, so we've been, adjusting the hood, everything. Mm-hmm. Inside, we made new ribs.
And you made new ribs because the other ones were not strong enough?
They don't want so strong and too much modified. It was going to be more work than... I don't know, where are the other ones?
Were you able to keep the brackets for the other ones? Or no, because they were attached to mine?
No, but they need another one in the middle. And they look like, it was just a wire.
Yeah.
So it looks so cheap and shitty. So what we did is made new ribs to make the hood stronger and see, we have new ribs. They're pretty strong now.
So what are you working on today?
Well, today I'm, like you see here, before we don't have nothing here. I have to hammer and dolly this and make the holes, weld the nut. So we have the screws on.
Got it.
I'm gonna do this area first. That you see this from the outside in.
Yeah.
We're gonna put these new ones.
Yeah.
Looking.
Got it.
In each.
Got it.
Remember they had the holes before and they was all crooked. So.
Yeah.
And right here I have to ask him if he wants the bolts from the inside. So when you open it, you can just see the if we put it like that, it's not gonna look good.
So, and then there's a new battery box in the trunk.
Yeah.
So there's, instead of the notches, you were able to, where was that space? Brian said that he was able to get almost half an inch of space. Was that just because the nuts and bolts?
Yeah.
Wow. It's crazy how much space tiny things add up, and they don't seem like they would take that much space.
And what sucks is we had to do it. You know what I mean? We had to go through the process to figure that out. It wasn't like we could measure it, see it, figure out how we wanted to bolt.
Yeah.
I guess I could if I was some techie computer guy, but even still, when people draw me up plans and this and that, and I actually build it and it goes to fit, it's never the same. So.
Yeah, well, I mean, even with the experiences of this car is that, because I noticed when I talked about, you should have just, done, AutoCAD or whatever on this whole car. It's but not even, from side to side, front to back, the measurements aren't even the same. One fender could be an inch off, a different one could be a centimeter off in a different way, and then the front and back is different, by 2 inches on one side, but they're 2 inches here and 2 inches there, and you don't, because it looks perfect to the eye, how it imperfectly sits, it looks fine, so you don't necessarily know. And so therefore you haven't known where to take the measurements to be this is for sure off.
Did you drink a lot of coffee this morning?
I did.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
So I could tell. Wow.
That
was good. That was yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm also
You're absolutely correct. I'm just now catching up.
I'm trying to learn how to speak fast so I don't have to edit all of my inconsistent sentences together. I don't mean that. So I'm trying to just talk fast and get the right thing out the first time.
That's hilarious. You're doing good.
Thanks.
You got an A+. That's for damn sure. I just drank my Red Bull, so I'm going to have to catch up with you.
All right. You got time.
But yeah, the car was so out of whack.
Yeah.
That's just all there was to it. It was so out of whack. So finding something that was straight on the car to begin with and to work off the original body and keep as much of the original body as possible, that's the challenge. You can't, if you're building something brand new from scratch and you have a drawing and plans and you start building it to that is different.
The ones they're gonna go on the panel, so you see these things inside? Or you want it like this?
We got the inner fender, so...
When you see inside,
This way, the inner fender, when we bolt it to here, will kind of hide
this section right here. You know what I mean? We'll do like a kind of a bubble type thing that we were talking about. Remember?
Oh, that. All right.
Yeah. See how nice that lip's looking now?
If you want to do the panel inside, we have to think about it. What we're gonna do.
Yeah, on that we'll put the nutsroots on the panel, the inner finger. So when we bolt it in, you know what I mean? That'll hold all that
On this
together.
panel,
Yeah.
we're gonna go here. That's where we're gonna put the.
But those, we can put nutsroots in the grill. Right? What do you
I don't trust too much the nuts, but it's gonna look nicer, huh?
We can look for something that looks nicer.
They weld the nuts on the back.
Yeah, that looks.
Yeah, that. All right, for now, I want to put it on and see what we're gonna do here.
Oh yeah. Oh. There's not going to be any metal left, but it'll be good.
This is the front.
We wanted to keep as much of the original sheet metal as possible, even though it's new side panels, new hood. The fenders are still the same, the doors are still the same, the body's still the same, the exterior body.
Yeah.
The floor's new, the firewall's new.
But even parts of the interior are still the same, and everything from the door handles that line up is pretty much all still original.
Yeah, it's all original sheet metal.
Yeah.
So, you know, yeah, you know, you just try and
Yep.
you just start building and it leads from one thing to the other, you know, and every time we thought we had it right, probably a good solid 4 times already,
Yeah.
the front grille and where it sat and
Yeah.
everything. But where it sat originally when we got it with the old chassis was wrong to begin with. So,
Yeah.
you know, so we were just kind of laying it down, doing our lines, and then when we actually would go to build it, those lines would change because the way the grill's tilted back, it's not supposed to be like that. So
Yeah.
all your contours changed, and we had to make the contours go in to fit everything properly and look like it was made for it. You know what I mean?
Nuts.
Oh no,
Oh,
he's got the hammer. Get ready.
Party's over.
3 hours of hammering.
I was so looking forward to it being a hammerless day.
No, not with Alex. No
Yeah,
way. No.
Wishful thinking.
So now we're gonna finish. You saw the trunk area and everything. So now
it was nice while it lasted.
Now we're gonna do the same to the rest of the car, and it'll be metal finished, ready to rock and roll. We can finally start working on all the mechanical stuff, and let's make this car run.